Hey, I'm here just to follow up with my experience with this Ruko drone, which happens to be outstanding. I had an opportunity to go do this shoot here, except the problem was it was a super windy day. I mean, this is normally like glass smooth water, and you can see this chop here. I mean, it was really, really windy. Additionally, it was super bright, like crazy sunlight bright, and I think the camera did an amazing job adjusting to those conditions. I mean, look how clear, look how great the colors are on this. It handled the wind. Even with the wind, it didn't really diminish the battery life. The battery life was still outstanding on this. I have to again give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This particular Ruko F11 drone is just awesome.